Hi everyone, Wilson with Premier here today with another video to share with you guys. Behind me are two Tesla Model 3s and both of them have a satin paint protection film installation on it. Now this blue one over here is done with a popular USA brand, and this one is SatinGuard paint protection film. For those who follow us on a regular basis, we've explained in other videos why we prefer SatinGuard and why it is absolutely the current best satin paint protection film in the industry, and for those reasons we use this exclusively. Now we also get a lot of questions from our viewers asking us what's the difference between Premier's work and your local competitors, and obviously from this distance you really can't see much of a difference. Everything looks great when you're taking videos or pictures from 7 feet away, but the difference in quality is really noticeable when you get up close. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to run through some of the more minute details and show the difference between the installations on both of these cars. So why don't we get this started? So let's take a closer look. Here we have a pre-cut kit installation, or some people may even say a customized kit. Basically they're extending the pre-cut template so that it wraps a little bit more, but obviously in higher tension areas they do have to break film up to join together, and you get a seam that comes down here. You also get a seam that follows this body line all the way through. Now when you look around this fog light, you also see that the edge is a few millimeters away from the panel edge, and with an installation like this where you're changing the look of the car into a sand finish, you don't want gloss to be showing through. Let's take a look at the mirrors as well. These are some of the more glaring parts of this car. You see how there's a seam on this inner mirror area that joins together. Obviously when the light hits it at a angle where you get that refraction, and also when they're built, that becomes really obvious. Looking from inside out, you will see that seam every day you're driving the car. Now let's take a look at our mirror installation. This is a one-piece custom mirror installation. The entire mirror is covered without that seam on the inside, so aesthetically it makes that much more of a difference. Comparing the front bumper, if you look down here, you don't see a seam over here or across this body line. That's because our bumper for this Tesla Model 3 is a one-piece custom installation, and all the edges on this film are either wrapped or is as close to the panel edge as possible, so you get that OEM look and not a film installation look. Alright, so hopefully that sheds some light into the difference between our work here and what the local guys are doing. Now, we're not saying that all pre-cut kits are bad, because we do believe that having some protection is always better than none. But for the new car owner who's looking to get something like this done, it's always good to know that experience plays such a big role in this, and the final result and how the installation will ultimately look. As you can see just by stepping a few feet closer, the difference between this blue Model 3 and this midnight silver one over here is night and day. Now, if you're not in our area, we do urge you to go into the shops themselves and see whether or not the work of their installers meet your standards. And it's good to know that, at least for us, when it comes to experience, our customers never have to worry about that, because we've been doing this since 1997. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please subscribe and follow us, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you. Thank you.